in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable camera access on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select privacy and security on the left panel. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, select camera. Versus camera access at the top, just toggle this to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.